back. So you just saw the demo video of the Griots Boss foaming surface wash. This stuff is freaking impressive. I can't believe it. You saw the video, and that's where we're at. So we're going to put that to the side. Now we're going to move over to their foaming polygloss. Now, I spoke to Griots direct and a couple of the guys that are in charge of this whole line, and you don't have to do the 3 steps simultaneously. You could use each step independently, and you could actually even use this polygloss in a pump-up foamer, like they have the Griots Garage pump-up foamer, and you could also use it as a drying aid and as a gloss generating and protecting drying aid. Okay, so you could pretty much take a pump-up foamer, foam up your car after you're done washing it, wipe it down with a Griots PFM, and then you're going to get a little bit of enhanced shine. So this is going to be another snow foam. It's saying thick snow foam delivers intense gloss and durable protection. Now, a lot of the stuff in the market, like the wash and shines, they're kind of trying to combine these two products, these two things in one, as far as lifting the dirt and adding the shine. But sometimes it could be a little bit strong and harsh, and it could actually start to strip a lot of sealants and coatings. Like I said, wax coatings anyway. So this is pretty cool that you could kind of use this independently of the other 2 products in the line. I think that makes it very, very versatile. And being that it's super concentrated, you could kind of dilute this any way you want. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go 2 ounces. I got the MTM foam cannon all cleaned out. And another thing we're going to do, and I want to just visualize it, if you guys back on my video, is this type of gloss enhancing product. Is this going to give me that watered down effect that the Chemical Guys VO7 does? Is it going to give me the thinner foam that the Chemical Guys Glossworks does? Or any of those kind of products? Even like the Adams shampoo that I tried, it's just very, very thinned out. I don't know. We're going to see. If this stuff delivers thick foam and it gives that high gloss, I don't think this is claiming to remove particles off the vehicle. This is just a final wax polymer protection that is giving you a good coating on your glass, your rims, your plastic, all exterior surfaces, that makes drying faster and easier and offers superb clarity due to its water shedding ability. So let's get started for this. Okay, so we got 2 ounces of that stuff in my Sherwin-Williams mixing cups. And another thing, the smell, it smells like real strawberries that are mashed up and thrown into the bottle. So I gotta tell you, man, their in-house lab, they know what the hell they're doing, I'll tell you that. So we're gonna give it a couple of shakes, and like I said, you could see that the color is not that dark like when I'm using some of the thick foam products, you know, from Masterson's or Chemical Guys or even the Adams. So you can see it's lightly concentrated. There's only 2 ounces in there. I had this filled up about 65%, and we're going to connect it and we're going to see what this stuff's going to do. So stick around. Alright guys, I'm throwing this clip in from the following day of using the Griots Garage Boss Polyfoam system on my GT350. So I already sprayed the car down with the surface wash, I blew dry it, and now we're going to hit it with about 1.8 ounces of the Griots Polyfoam, and I'm going to show you guys something that you can't see on the white Mustang. I'm going to show you how the product chemically is bonding to the surface. I've never seen any other product ever do this. So stay tuned and watch. Here we go. So I'm just going to let the camera roll in real time, and you guys are going to see it's going to develop very fine vertical streaks, whereas no other product. You can see it right here. It's starting to happen already, right up top. See that? I'm going to get the camera in closer. It's almost like this phenomenon thing that's happening. I mean, look at it. Look what it's doing. Very, very fine streaks. vertical streaks going down the panel as it's flashing and it's bonding whatever synthetic polymer is in this product. It's bonding to the surface of my car. I'll zoom in, you guys get a closer look. So I've tried every car shampoo and snow foam on the market over the last over 10 years, and I've never seen any product do this. I've never seen the Chemical Guys products, any of the wash and wax systems, even the Griots Best of Show wash, none of that stuff. I've never seen any other product do what this Polygloss is doing to the car. And the surface finish that it leaves is incredible. It feels like you literally just put a coat of premium Carnauba paste wax on the car. No joke. Not a spray wax. Like, it gives you that feel of a real wax. See that, guys? So that's what I'm trying to explain in the video. Absolutely unbelievable. Never saw this before. Never saw this before in any product I've ever used, especially on glass. And look at it on the windshield, how it's not even running. And that's actually going to help water repellency and bug splatter and everything from sticking to the windows. And there you see it on the hood. So back to the video, guys. So this is the gloss intensity on my GT350. So you can see it a little bit more in the white car. And there's definitely something in this stuff because it looks like it was just waxed with the Color 9915. Try to get back here. I mean, you see that reflection over here? And it's overcast, so you can see it a little bit better than on a sunny day. But that's the Griots Garage Boss Polyfoam finished result on my Shelby GT350. Looks freaking incredible. There's no spotting on my wheels, no spotting on the plastic. All I did is I foamed it, I blue dried it with the Ego blower, and I touched up a few spots with the PFM towel, and that's it, guys. Back to the video. Well, guys, here it is, foaming Polygloss, all finished on a white Mustang that I detailed a number of weeks ago. Let's just go over to the car. The paint feels absolutely incredible. There's zero surface tension. It feels just like I coated it with a coat of 915. So, autofanatic@yahoo.com, guys. Any questions, comments, post them below. I highly suggest you guys go out and you pick up both of these products there. If you don't love them, send them back. You will get a full refund, guaranteed. It smells incredible, works incredible.